Welcome back to Motonista, and today's episode will be a quick one. This is an aluminum part. This holds the handlebars on a motorcycle, clip-on handlebars, and when you order a part today, this is what it comes out like. It looks CNC machine. Well, it looks CNC machine because it is a very modern manufacturing technique which did not exist decades ago, which is the what I'm trying to duplicate here, a 1960s motorcycle. This is what it looks like after I played with it a little bit and rounded off all the corners and broke up that modern finish, and it looks to be more like an old casting. And if you're as weird as I am, you'd probably like the look of vintage casting better because well, they just they look more vintage. They look cooler. Anyway, tools needed for this was this to contour it first, to break up the edges, and I used a wire wheel. Wire wheel will melt the top coat, the very top surface of the aluminum, and I don't know if I can get it in this lighting, but it looks more nostalgic, more romantic. It looks more personal. I like the look of casting. And at the very last step, I hit it with a abrasive pad of sorts to break up the gloss of the wire wheel. But anyway, hope that helps. If you're trying to make your parts look old enough to match your ride, there you have it. Go for it. You can even go further and round it off with more polishing if you want, but this is the place I like to stop because, well, it just looks older. Okay, until next time, bye bye.